Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to quickly remove backgrounds in Photopea. So here are the steps to quickly remove backgrounds in Photopea. So the first step is to open the image you want to remove background from in Photopea. The following step is to select the magic wand tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. The next step is to click on the background area of the image. To select it, hold down the shift key and continue clicking to expand the selection. Once the background is fully selected, go to the select menu and choose inverse to select the foreground subject instead of the background. The final step is to press the delete key or go to the edit menu and choose clear to remove the background, leaving just the foreground subject. So that's it guys, the background should now be removed. This is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.